This video provides a brief overview of the model view in MISMO Link Model Explorer. The model view allows you to visualize data relationships and connections between MISMO data elements using interactive relationship diagrams. To access the model view, select the Model View tab or use the quick link in the upper right corner of the screen. Along the top toolbar, you will find options to search for a container and to select the reference model version you'd like to view. You can also choose whether to display parent containers and specify how many nested levels appear in the results. We'll come back to these options shortly. As suggested by the on-screen usage tip, let's start by searching for borrower. Once the diagram loads, we can click and drag to pan left and right and use the mouse wheel to zoom in and out. After entering borrower as the container we'd like to see in the search box and selecting model version 3.6.2, the diagram displays all child data elements contained within the borrower container. You can zoom using your mouse wheel, or use the plus and minus controls in the bottom right corner and click and drag to navigate the diagram from left to right or up and down. If we now select the Show Parents option, the diagram updates to include the parent container for borrower, moving up one level in the data hierarchy. Continuing with this example, suppose you want to identify all data elements under government monitoring. By increasing the number of nested levels to 3, the display updates to include additional child elements. Zoom in to view these elements more clearly within the diagram. The model version selector is also helpful for comparing changes across versions of the MISMO reference model. For example, if we switch to model version 3.0, we can see that government monitoring contained only 2 child containers at that time, illustrating how data in this area has expanded in later versions. Comparisons of this nature may be helpful with implementation planning or performing a gap analysis. Finally, Model View allows you to export the diagram as an SVG file. This can be useful for sharing visuals with stakeholders or supporting collaboration outside of the Model Explorer. Thank you for watching this overview. Be sure to watch the additional videos to learn more about using the tree view and dictionary.